Hello, Stonebridge. Hey, I wanted to take a moment and introduce you. This is Chris Barber. He's one of the preferred attorneys that we work with and just an amazing guy. Thank you for taking some time to meet with me and kind of go through a few questions today.
Of course.
One of the things I wanted to go through, so we have a lot of amazing patients in our office, and sometimes accidents happen, right? Like life is unpredictable. And so when these little fender benders happen, when these collisions happen, many times you may not know what to do, what direction to go, who's the first person that you should call. And of course, many times people come into our office and they consider, okay, well, the insurance company is communicating with me, they're talking to me, they seem like a really nice group. Why should I talk to an attorney? I don't want to sue anybody. So if you wouldn't mind just kind of speaking to that a little bit too and giving some information to our patients.
Yeah, that's a common thing that we get from a lot of new clients. They say, hey, the insurance adjuster's nice, they're talking to me. I'm going to give them every chance to be fair and reasonable before I reach out and hire an attorney. Well, what I tell people is just because you hire an attorney doesn't mean you're going to sue anybody. Really what you're doing is you're hiring somebody that's just like the adjuster on your side. That insurance adjuster is handling thousands of cases every year, and they know every trick in the book to pay as little as they possibly can for your car, for your injury, and to limit what their exposure is. Hiring an attorney is just hiring an adjuster on your side. It's sort of like a real estate agent. If you go to sell your house and the other side has a real estate agent and you don't, just having your own person to negotiate on your behalf. So over 95% of the cases that we have in our office settle. We negotiate a fair insurance settlement. We make sure that the patients are getting everything they deserve for their car, for their medical treatment. We help them get medical treatment that they wouldn't otherwise get, like MRIs if they need them, pain management if they need it. But we don't end up suing on 95% of the cases. We're just there so that the patients then don't have to negotiate on their own. They don't have to worry about the paperwork. They don't have to worry about if they're getting treated fairly. They can just worry about getting better, getting healthy, and then we handle everything, getting all the medical bills paid and then getting them a settlement at the end of the case.
And even sometimes other imaging might be necessary, like an MRI, or even, sometimes we work with pain management doctors. There could be injections that need to happen. So having an attorney on your side makes a big difference, and it just kind of keeps everything simple, and it takes all that hassle and paperwork and all the stuff that we don't want to deal with and takes that off our plate and allows us to focus on, just like you're saying, getting well. So, but thank you so much for your commitment to our practice and our patients, and I really appreciate everything that you do for us. So
Anytime.
Thanks so much. All right, guys. We'll see you all soon. Thanks.